Alex here with Perez Roofing, and today we're in the city of Granite Bay doing a roof here for a local customer. We originally had a tile outdated roof system. They moved in a couple of months ago. Roof was leaking. They had to do some renovations inside of the house. In order to protect that renovation and all that hard work, we wanted to make sure we put a brand new roof on top, one that's not going to leak anymore, that's going to deliver true peace of mind to ensure they have the best system all the way from the underlayment to the flashing to the proper ventilation to ensure that everything's ventilating properly, and of course a 50-year Presidential Shingle. So the tile that was originally on here was a Monier outdated system that was fragile, it was cracking. In fact, it's pretty hard to even find those tiles. So in that case, if the roof is older than 30 years, it was just best to do a permanent solution, one that's going to last 50 years and it delivers true peace of mind. Luxury Presidential shingles are always a way to go, especially if you want that grand look and that true peace of mind. When we initially came out to inspect the roof, one of the key things I saw was a deck in the back, and we knew we had to protect it, putting down tarps and plywood to ensure that if any tiles come down, because it's a two-story roof and it's an incline, that there's a possibility that a tile may fall, the deck was protected without any damage to the deck. And when it comes to a 50-year true system, this is the way to go. It's a luxury roof. It really gives it that grand look, and especially for a home where the roof is inclined and you can actually see the roofing material, this is the way to go. You have premium underlayment underneath. On top of it, you get your 50-year roof. Because of how much wider it is, you get a lot more overlap on the shingle, allowing the roof to have proper overlap for water to flow down the roof instead of something that's going to get water behind that shingle. So this is the way to go. Also, underneath these tabs, you have what's called a quad bond, which means you have four layers of protection underneath it. It adheres to the shingle, allowing it to be fully protected. A shingle, you don't have to worry about it because once it's installed, it's a heavy-duty shingle that's not going to take off with the wind. So if you have a roof system that's older than 30 years and you don't want to risk for the tile to become discontinued, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home's as watertight as it gets.